guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to see someone's activity on Instagram. So for that, we have to go to our Instagram app, then go to the search bar and search for the person you want to see their activity. I will go to this account. Then you have to click on this bell right here in the top of the page. Then you will have to enable the post stories, IGTVs, reels, and everything you want. So if you do this, you will get a notification every time this person shares a post, a story, a IGTV, reels, or even if they will make a live or something. If you don't want to receive a notification every time they will do a live, you can turn off this notification or you can get all. I would leave it like this. So another thing you can do is go on home and, for example, this post. I can see that Ruby shot like this girl's post, and if I scroll down I can see my other friends, what they liked and everything. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.